You had to use your imagination when you listened to the radio back then, a whole lot more than you had to do today. We enjoyed listening to those old radio shows so much, we heard a whole bunch of songs we liked, and we learned a few we want to play for you. See if you might remember these.
He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was a tough man, had his scrap, but then his time came up. He was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, I'm blowing reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. This really brought him down because he couldn't jam. The captain seemed to understand, because the next little guy went out and dropped the band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. He was some boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. And when he plays boogie woogie bugle, he's as busy as a bee. And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. Toot-a-yada, toot-a-yada, toot-toot, he goes eight to the bar. Can blow an old as the bass and guitar play with them. His company jumps and he plays reveille. He's a boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. He's a boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B.
I won't tell you a story from way back. Truck on down and dig it, Jack with Big Mo, Little Mo, Four-eyed Mo, No Mo. Look at brother, look at brother, look at brother, eat Mo. Who's the greatest band around? Makes the cat jump up and down. Who's the talk of rhythm town? Five guys named Mo. When they start to beat it out, everybody jump and shout. Tell me, who did the critics rave about? Five guys named Mo. They came out of nowhere, but that don't mean a thing. They rate high, and you know why when you hear that swing. Highbrow, lowbrow, all agree they're the best in harmony. I'm telling you folks, you gotta see five guys named Mo. Big Mo, Little Mo, meow meow, Eskimo, 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 itty bitty man, crazy me mama, guacamole mama, one guy, Big Mo, a little bit of Mo, three guys, four-eyed Mo, four guys, no Mo, five guys, eat Mo, five little guys named Mo. Let's do it again. Who's the greatest band around? Makes the cat jump up and down. Who's the talk of rhythm town? Five guys named Mo. When they start to beat it out, everybody jump and shout. Tell me, who does the critics rave about? Five guys named Mo. They came out of nowhere, but that don't mean a thing, cause they rate high, and you know why when you hear them swing. Highbrow, lowbrow, all agree they're the best in harmony. I'm telling you folks, you gotta see five guys named Mo. Okay, now everybody sing along with me. Everybody sing it again.
One guy,
Big Mo,
2 guys,
little bit of Mo,
3 guys,
3-eyed Mo,
4 guys,
I don't know,
5 guys.
no more 5 little guys named Mo. Yeah.
By Paul Freese, W.C. Fields by Bill Thompson. The part of Tony Stanford was played by Tony Stanford. This is Ken Carpenter saying goodnight on behalf of all of us from Hollywood. This is NBC, the national broadcasting company.